Hi everyone and welcome to our videos for angle relationships. So let's just jump right into it. It's going to be pretty quick. You'll notice we're starting with a blank slate, but we're going to fill this in with tools very quickly. So in this videos, we're going to introduce the different tools that we have available for angle relationships, and then we're going to go over a challenge problem example. Okay. So we're going to start off with a very brief review of our very first tool, which we've actually seen before in our previous triangle properties video, but I just want to reintroduce it. This is the triangle that we're going to be working with. And this tool is called interior angle sums, right? So if I have three angles on the inside of a triangle and you give me two of them, I know what the third angle must be, right? And it must be, in this case, 60. With any triangle, though, I will know what it must be. So for example, with this one, right, I have 90, I have 30, and that makes this one have to be 60. Has to be, okay? What's going on here, right? What's our special relationship that's going on? If I did another kind of triangle, you'll notice this is isosceles, right? What's my relationship in all of these? And the answer is all of these triangles on the inside add up to 180. So our very first tool available to us is the interior triangle sum, right? Now, we've already talked about this previously, but what's important here is that we're going to be using this slightly differently now. This is a way to find missing angles. So in angle measure problems, you're told to find the missing values for angles. So if I was only given 2 out of 3 for all of these, right? If I wasn't given that third one, but was just given 2 out of 3 of these angles, I would always be able to solve because the three angles inside a triangle add up to 180, right? So that is your first tool and one we've already had from before, right? So hopefully that helps just to see it written out a little more clearly. If I was to see this in a problem, it might not be obvious that we're working with a triangle, right? I might be given a problem like this, where it doesn't necessarily look like I have a triangle, right? But when they give me 2 out of 3 of these angles, I can solve for this third one, right? By using the 2 they gave me by recognizing they have created a triangle. Likewise, they might give me something that looks much more complicated, like our challenge problem, but you'll notice I do have a big triangle on the outside in both these cases. So I know that those angles on the outside have to add up to 180 with each respective triangle. Okay? I hope that helps. In the next video, we'll talk about linear pairs, one of our new tools.